Today we're going to check out these beautiful VF5 wheels from Velgen. These Velgen VF5 wheels are part of their lightweight series and are available in 4 different sizes for your 2005 and up Mustang. They're available in a 20 by 9.5, a 20 by 10, a 20 by 10.5, and a 20 by 11. They're also available in 5 different colors. You have a matte black finish, a gloss black finish, a gloss silver finish, a gloss gunmetal finish, and my personal favorite, the gloss bronze. The VF5 wheel from Velgen is designed to be ultra lightweight but also extremely strong. They use flow form technology for the construction of the wheel, which makes for a very, very light wheel, but also makes it a lot stronger than your typical cast wheel. And if you're looking for more information on the flow form technology, check out the link in the description for a wheel video we did recently where we talk about the different styles of build for the wheel. But the wheel itself, one of the most impressive things about the VF5, they are TUV certified. Now what does that mean? Basically, getting into layman's terms, it means that these wheels are certified for use in Europe. To get that certification, it is very, very hard for a wheel manufacturer. They go through grueling tests and they have to renew it every couple years. That means that you're getting a very, very high-end, very strong wheel. All the wheels shown on the table here are 20 by 10.5, but like I said, they have 4 different sizes for your 2005 and up Mustang. For your 2005 to 2020, we have a staggered package available with a 20 by 9.5 in the front and a 20 by 10.5 in the back. Now for your 15 and up, if you're looking for that real aggressive fitment, we have a 20 by 10 front and a 20 by 11 back. We're also going to offer some square setup with 20 by 10s all the way around, and tire packages will also be available. Your 20 by 9.5 wheel is going to have a plus 32 offset and weigh in at 24 pounds. The 20 by 10 is going to have a plus 34 offset, and it also weighs in at 24 pounds. Your 20 by 10.5 has a plus 45 offset, and again, 24 pounds of weight. And then the largest wheel, the 20 by 11, is going to have a plus 52 offset, and also weigh in at only 24 pounds. You're looking for a high-end wheel with an amazing finish for your 2005 and up Mustang? Definitely want to check out these Velgen VF5s.